Are you good? Are you nervous? Palakpakan po natin yung nervous niya. Wala na. Here's Daniel.
Hi guys!
Iyak na!
Daddy ko ba? Okay lang. Prepare mo na. Okay, hi guys. Do you guys like the food? Yes! Sarap no? You can get pa. Libre ko. Okay, so for those of you who don't know me, I'm Mike. I like for you to call me Danny, but no one ever calls me that. So for tonight, I'll let you call me Mike. So I've known Ina for forever, ever since we were babies. So ever since, these are the things I need to go through. I had my parents, I had my sister, and then I had Ina and her family. So every year, we would go on vacation, we would spend Christmas together, and I remember telling my parents na I love spending time with my cousin. And then they had to sit me down and they were like, "Girl, di mo yan cousin." Tapos sabi ko, "Eh di sino to? Ba't palagi natin kasama?" And then she's like, "No, her mom is my best friend, so si Ina din, best friend mo." And that was the first time I ever heard of that word. And I realized what it meant because Ina took it seriously. She's super loyal, super honest, supportive, super thoughtful in everything I could ever want in a friend. And I can only hope I was the same. And I felt na there was someone new in her life. Kasi, sabi niya sa akin, there's a guy, pinakilala sa akin nila 30. 30 and Renz. Tapos sabi niya, sa tingin niya kasi cute ako. So ako kilig daw. Nakilig daw siya. Tapos sabi ko, kumusta naman yung guy? Tapos sabi niya, okay lang. Sabi niya, ay, parang di ko naman siya napapansin sa class, pero gusto ko kasi yung tao na sa tingin na maganda ako. Yun yung pinaka-importante. Tapos after that, the way she was saying it to me, parang wala lang. Pero alam ko, nagustuhan na din niya. Kasi she didn't stop talking about him. As in, parang, did I need to know na he took pickleball for his PE class? Top 28 daw siya sa high school. Parang, that's too much info for someone who isn't Harry Styles for me. Like, sino ba to? Pero, it made her really happy, so I listened. And I learned about him as she learned about him. And even then, kahit na hindi ko pa siya nakikita, ayaw pa niya ipakita picture kasi daw better daw pag-live. Okay lang ang presence ni Andrew. To the point na nauwi ko yung kwento sa parents ko kasi hindi nila gusto na kwento ko kasi parang bumili lang akong kape tapos nag-aaral tapos wala lang. Pero sasabihin ko sa kanya, si Ina, may gusto siya sa class. Tapos hindi ko pa sinasabi pangalan kasi secret daw. Kaya sa tingin nila si 30. Pero wala naman ako sinabi para hindi halata. But I knew it was getting serious kasi she stopped saying random facts about him. She'd say, "Oh, you know what, sina Andrew? May kaibigan siya sina Ryan at si Martin. They're like us. They're childhood friends din." Tapos, si Andrew din daw, worrier, katulad ni Karina. or knowledgeable, like si Tito Nilo. And mahilig siya sa gaming, kasi sa mga computer like Maxine. So I knew by then na parang she was trying to endear him to me. And the easiest way to do that was to compare him to the people in her life. And I know a lot of people would say na parang they were worried or they were upset when their friend finds someone new kasi they feel like they're being replaced. Pero that worked out well for me. Kasi Andrew always took the extra step to be there for Ina. Katulad ng pagbayad ng pagkain. Nagkaroon na din kami ng driver. Pero kahit na kunwari may quiz si Ina, tapos she's so scared kasi she feels like she's gonna fail. Gagawin ni Andrew, guys, gawin natin ng video si Ina. Sabihin natin, good luck. He did that like every year, every time she was scared. Tapos nung 5th year na, we were like, ano ba sasabihin namin dito? Like, parang ang dami na namin kasabi. Tapos she also knows when to comfort or give advice to Ina when she's having problems. Ako kasi hindi ako masyadong magaling, kaya I'm happy na Andrew's there. Kasi one time, umiiyak siya, tapos I had to stop her. Sabi ko, girl, yung KFC delivery natin nasa baba niya. At yung mas nagwapa doon, pinasama ko pa siya sa akin para kunin yung delivery. Pero, when she did that again, nung she would ask for help and she would cry, I'd be like, ano sabi ni Andrew? And then Andrew would say something really sweet or or give advice. So I'd be like, ay, yung sinabi niya, yun na lang, tama talaga yun. And now I think we've come full circle kasi now I go home to my mom telling me about Andrew from her conversations with Tita Rini and Tito Nilo. So sabi ko ngayon kay Andrew, uy, pasok ka na. And I knew na she wanted to marry him when she asked me, who do you want to get married to? Siyempre ako parang, yung sagot namin sa Woodrose, all Catholic girls, gusto ko yung Christ-like. Tapos sabi nga, I wanna marry my best friend. So sabi ko, ay girl, look away, hindi ako available. Charot, I know she met Andrew. So for me, with Ina in my life, I learned that everything is more effective in pairs. The two of us have been in a partnership our entire life. So now I leave this spot to you, Andrew. You will always be her partner. Thank you for being to her what she has been to me my whole life. So I'd like to take this time to give a toast to the happy couple. I hope you have a great life and don't forget about me. Thank you.